Yeah. Radiation coming in from the west, oh, gonna take care of the rest. Where are we really going, no? Where are we really going? False promises from everywhere. You be a sucker, I think that they care. Where are we really going? Where are we really going? Damn parking dogs, it's all I hear. This running bridge can't freeze my tears. I hear the whistle blowing from the true patriot. From the true patriot. It's trickle down, all the way from the top. It's too hard to tell who's really the cop. I'm just scrubbing shit, I'm still feeling the heat. All these tears flaring up and I just wanna live in peace. Does anyone really know what's going on? Why is it so hard just to get along? I'm constantly debating, just getting out of that. I gotta dig out my dreamline. At a cross section, in another dimension. Take it as it is with some extra definition. Don't get lost in all this sensical illusion. Don't let your eyes cross and get filled up with delusion. Whatever happens mostly is soon forgotten anyway. It's not your stressing out or getting brave. Damn barking dogs is all I hear. This running bridge can't freeze my tears. I hear the whistle blowing from the true patriot. From the true patriot. It's trickling down all the way from the top. It's too hard to tell who's really the cop. I'm just scrubbing shit, I'm still feeling the heat. All these tempers flaring up when I just wanna live in peace. Got too many bosses with nothing real to say. Encouraging anger from all work and no play. Breaking our backs for pennies on the dollar. You got pretty beach diveries, we got these dirty blue collars. And still beating them up against each other. Making enemies out of people who could be brothers. Digging out dirt that was buried in the past. You better stay alert for this breaking forecast.
We got shit over here, we got shit over there, we got shit up there, and we got shit down there.
Damn barking dogs is all I hear. This running bridge can't freeze my tears. I hear the whistle blowing from the true patriot. From the true patriot.
One day I'll be okay, in 1 week I won't even speak. In 1 month it's nothing more than brain gunk. In 1 year